Good morning, children, and welcome back. And as we were doing many topics, we have done many topics of grammar till now. And today I am going to start your textbook, the book which you have got along with your set. I'll show you your book. This is your book which you all have got with your book set. And today I am going to start with this book. The starting exercises are very easy, not at all that difficult, but still we will do those exercises and we'll discuss. Though the answers are given, but you should know from where and how we have got those answers, because you know in exam it is not sure that you will get the same question in the paper. The question may differ, so you should know how to get that answer, how that rule is applied. Okay, so our first unit we are going to start, and it is based on am, is and are. Now what are am, is and are? They are the helping verbs. What are they? They are helping verbs, or they are also known as auxiliary verbs. What are they known as? Auxiliary verbs. They are used with the main verb, and all three of them are used in present tense. Okay, so am is always used with I, is with any other singular noun or pronoun, and are is used with any plural noun or pronoun which comes as a subject in the sentence. It is also used with you. Okay, are comes with you, and am is always used with only and only I. I hope it is clear to you and you all know these things. Like my name is Himani. I am dash years old. I will not tell you my age. Okay. Okay, I am married. Okay, so my favorite color is red. Whatsoever. So I am using is, am, are. Right? So today let us see the table, though you know. See, when we are making the positive sentences, what are positive sentences? They are the sentences which do not have anything negative in it. Means no, not, never जैसा कुछ use नहीं होता. They are called as positive sentences. Positive sentences are not the question sentences. Just remember that question sentence is another category. Okay. So with positive, I am. Now here in the bracket they have given the contraction form. Which form? Contraction form, or we can say short form. I और am को combine कर देते हैं, तो हम क्या करते हैं? I लिखा, am क्या a की जगह we are putting apostrophe. What do we call it? Apostrophe, and then we are writing am. So there is a gap in between, और उस gap में क्या आता है? Apostrophe. Okay. So I am changes to am. Pronunciation is almost same. He, she, it के संग we use is. So he's, she's, it's. Got it? Then with we, you, they, we are using are. When we'll contract, we are becomes we are, you are becomes you are, they are becomes there. Okay? So you should remember these contractions, these short forms also. Now in negative, how do we do? When we write in a sentence, I am not. So we will contract this I am and then not. Okay. Now he, she and it, with he, she and it we are using is. He, she, it के संग हम क्या लगा रहे हैं? Is. Right ना? अब इसमें जब हम not add करेंगे, तो she is not. He is not, it's not. इसका दूसरा फॉर्म होता है, या तो आप he plus is plus not कर लो, राइट? या आप ही प्लस या इन दोनों को कंबाइन कर लो या इन दोनों को कंबाइन कर लो, दोनों में से किसी एक को आप कंबाइन कर सकते हो, ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. सो हियर दे हैव गिवन बोथ. In this they have combined he plus is, he is not. Here or he isn't. Is plus not equals to isn't. Same way, she plus is plus not, she's not or she isn't. It plus is plus not, it's not or it isn't. Same way, when we are adding R to we, are and they, जब we, are and they में R लगता है तब तक तो we are बन रहा था यहाँ पे, ओके? लेकिन जब उसमें हम not लगा देंगे तो हमारे पास दो तरह के आंसर्स बन सकते हैं, and both are right. Like we are not or we aren't. Same way, you are not का you are not or you aren't means the same. They are not or they aren't. So you can use any one. You can use any one. Got it? Both are correct. So now we have an exercise based on this. We have to use is, am, are, and wherever required we will put not also. So we have to write the contraction in that exercise 1.1. It is on the new page. Just look here, they have done the first one. Write the short forms. She's, we, aren't, etc. They have given the example. They have done the first one, she is. So when we are writing the short form, it becomes she's, right? Second, they are. What will it be? They, apostrophe and R-E. Got it? Third, it is not. Now it is with not, so it will make two answers. How? It isn't, okay, or it apostrophe s and not. It isn't and it's not. Next, fourth, that is. The contraction will be that apostrophe and s. That's. Got it? So if you'll see, we are eating only one letter. हम एक लेटर खा रहे हैं, उसके बदले में ऊपर अपॉस्ट्रोफी लगा रहे हैं. जैसे दे आर, तो एक खा गए, उसकी जगह हमने अपॉस्ट्रोफी लगा दिया, राइट ना? सेम वे यहाँ पे इट इजंट में नॉट का ओ खा के हमने ऊपर अपॉस्ट्रोफी लगाया. हियर इट इज में वी हैव ईटन आई ऑफ इज एंड वी हैव पुट एन अपॉस्ट्रोफी. Same way, that is may we have eaten I of is and we have put the apostrophe. Got it? Now let's come to the next, fifth one. I am not. I apostrophe am not. Got it? You are not. Here also you apostrophe R-E. You are not. Second answer will be you aren't. You aren't. Got it, children? Now we have to use am, is or are in this exercise. First one they have done. The weather is nice today. Okay? Because weather is considered as singular, so we have put is. Now, I dash not tired. So, what do we use with I in present tense? Am. I am. Third this bag dash heavy. Now this bag is singular or plural? It is singular. So we will use is. These bags dash heavy. Now these bags becomes plural because s is there. And these is also used with plural. So it will become are. These bags are heavy. Fifth, look, there dash Carol. Carol is the name of a person. How can we say? Because it is starting with a capital letter. And the names of any person, a particular name, is a which noun? Proper noun, right? So this is a proper noun and that is why it is starting with capital letter. तो अब ये Carol एक ही तो होगी, ज़्यादा तो नहीं हो सकती ना. So look, there is Carol. My brother and I. Now see, with the help of and they have joined two. So it has become two people and it is plural. So my brother and I are good tennis players. Seventh, Anne. Anne is also a name of a person. Anne dash at home. So Anne is singular, so we'll put is. Anne is at home. Her children. Now children is a plural word. The singular form of children is child. So her children are at school. Eighth, I dash a taxi driver. I के संग क्या आता है? What do we use with I? Am. Okay. I am a taxi driver. My sister dash a nurse. Sister is singular, na? So we'll put is. My sister is a nurse. Okay. Now let's move to the next. Write full sentences. Use is, isn't, are, aren't. Okay, means we have to decide whether it will be singular or it will be, whether it will be a positive sentence or it will be a negative sentence. They have given us the clue in the bracket. Okay. My shoes very dirty. My shoes are very dirty. Okay. अब नॉट लगाना है तो क्या कैसे लिखोगे? My shoes are not clean. You can write it that way also. Okay. So let us write my brother a teacher. Now we can make positive sentence as my brother is a teacher or my brother is not a teacher. Is not go we can combine and we can write it as isn't. Okay. My brother is a teacher, first sentence, or my brother isn't a teacher. Got it? We can frame two sentences, one positive and one negative. Next, this house not very big. This house not very big means this house is not very big. If we want to make it into positive sentence, we will remove not. This house is very big. I am not writing the answers here because answers are already given in your book. At the back, the answer key is given. But you should understand how we have done. Okay, आपको ये मालूम होना चाहिए कि किया कैसे है और कौन से रूल्स यहाँ पर अप्लाई हुए हैं. So this house is, so if we'll write this house is not can be combined, so we can write isn't very big. Okay? The shops not open today. Now shops is plural. So we will write the shops are, and we have to add not. So aren't open today. Got it? My keys in my bag. My keys. Keys is plural. Are in my bag. Same way, sixth, Jenny, 18 years old. Jenny is 18 years old. You not very tall. You are not very tall. So why we are using are? Because we consider you as a plural, because you is a pronoun which is used for both, for singular noun also and for plural noun also. Okay? If I say ki Rohan, come beta, you go out and give this book to Sumit sir. So I am telling to Rohan, who is singular, and I am telling you to him, right? So here I am using you for a single person. Same way, when I am coming to your class and I am saying, okay children, you all get ready, you have a test just now. So here I am using you for the whole class, right? So in one instance, I am using you for one person. In second example, I am using you for the whole class, right? Means you is used for both. You is used for singular also and it is used for plural also. But when we are talking about helping verbs की बात करते हैं, तो you भले singular में use करो आप, चाहे plural में use करो, आप उसके संग हमेशा are लगाओगे. क्या लगाओगे? are. कभी भी you is नहीं होता है, हमेशा you are ही होता है. Got it? Remember this very properly. हमेशा you are होता है, you is कभी भी नहीं होता, भले आप उसे singular के लिए use करो. Got it? So you are not very tall. Okay? So you are not means aren't. Got it? Now next exercise of this chapter 1.4. Look at Lisa's sentences. Unit 1A. Unit 1A is talking about what? Is MR, right? Now write sentences about yourself. So this you will do yourself as a homework and you will send me its pic of all these exercises that we have done. Okay children? So how you will do this exercise? In the first sentence, they have given name in bracket. Okay, my name is, you will write your name. Okay, don't write Lisa and Himani. So my name is Himani Sharma. From, मैं कहाँ से हूँ? I am from Ajmer. My age. I say, we have to start the sentence with I. It is given here. I am dash years old. You will write your age, your place, your name. Okay? Job. See, I am doing a job. I can write I am a teacher or I am a coordinator. But what you will write is I am a student. You don't have a job. You are still a student. So you will write I am a student. Married? Obviously not. I am not married. Sixth, favorite color or colors. You can have more than one also. So my favorite color is whatever your favorite color is. I am interested in means आपको किस काम में interest है. So what are your hobbies? So I am interested in dancing, singing, drawing, anything, it can be anything. So I am interested in dash 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 and dash. Okay children? Now next, write sentences for the pictures. Use afraid, angry, cold, hot, hungry and thirsty. They have cut the thirsty. Thirsty को उन्होंने काट रखा है. क्यों काट रखा है? Because they have already framed a sentence with thirsty. Okay? So children, I give this exercise also to you as homework. You will do it as per the picture. So where is thirsty? Here it is thirsty because it is showing a glass of water. They means it is for whom? More than one. So they, we can use for this also, but यहाँ तो ठंडी दिख रही है, यूं 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 हो रहे हैं, तो ये तो cold वाला है. So we can say this one, food is there, so we can use this. They are hungry. Okay, so they apostrophe R-E and hungry. Got it? Then he dash dash. अब हम cold hot, this is hot, हम hot का तो नहीं बना सकते he से. Afraid, snake is there na, we can use afraid. He apostrophe S, he is afraid का he apostrophe S, he is afraid. Got it? Fourth, cold and hot. It is cold. So I T apostrophe S, it's cold. Got it? It's hot. It apostrophe S and hot. She looks angry, right now? She is angry. She apostrophe S angry. See children, these sentences can be made in many ways. I have made the easiest ones. You can make in different ways also. So children, I end up here. We will do the remaining exercises in the next video. And I want you to do these exercises with me so that you also get the practice and we get to know how these things are used. Okay children? Thank you so much.